Welcome back to 77 Cars. Today, we bring you an in-depth look at the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Fronx, a modern compact SUV that has been taken to the next level with premium modifications. This modified version of the Fronx pushes the boundaries of style, performance, and technology, making it a true head-turner on the roads. Starting with the exterior, this modified Fronx gets an aggressive body kit that includes a redesigned front bumper with larger air intakes, giving it a sportier and bolder stance. The signature grille is now finished in gloss black, seamlessly blending with the new LED DRLs and projector headlamps. A custom hood scoop adds a muscular touch, enhancing aerodynamics. Moving to the side profile, it rides on larger 18-inch dual-tone alloy wheels wrapped in low-profile performance tires, providing superior grip and road presence. The roof is finished in contrasting black, and sleek roof rails give it a more rugged SUV appeal. At the rear, a sporty diffuser and a roof-mounted spoiler complete the dynamic look, while the custom LED taillights add a futuristic touch. Under the hood, this modified Fronx retains its 1.0 litres Boosterjet turbocharged petrol engine but gets a performance tune, boosting its power output from 100 bhp to nearly 120 bhp. A custom stainless steel exhaust system enhances both performance and sound, delivering a deep and aggressive growl. The 6-speed automatic transmission has been recalibrated for quicker shifts, while a sport-tuned suspension setup improves handling and stability, making it perfect for both city driving and highway cruising. Step inside, and the cabin welcomes you with a completely revamped interior. The stock fabric seats are replaced with premium leather sports seats featuring contrast stitching. The dashboard gets a carbon fiber finish, and the steering wheel is wrapped in perforated leather for a better grip. A 10.1-inch floating infotainment system now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offering seamless connectivity. A custom digital instrument cluster displays real-time performance data, including G-forces, turbo boost levels, and lap timers. The sound system is upgraded to a premium Bose surround system for an immersive audio experience. On the safety front, this modified Fronx retains the stock model's advanced safety features, including 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and a 360-degree camera system. The addition of adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning further enhances the driving experience. That's all for today's detailed review of the 2025 modified Maruti Suzuki Fronx. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 77 Cars for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next one.